Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 6:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, November 15, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe, the bell, click the share. We are here to talk about STORJ, STORJ. Intraday updates on the Twitter link below. Wall Street Tra 12. Anyway, let's go straight into STORJ. US dollar catching a nice bounce off this trend line here at $1.69. This thing's sort of in rally mode. Strangely enough, we've hit $1.86, $1.87 in the wee hours this morning, pulled back. You know, definitely starting to show. Look, I was a little worried that we were having a possible head and shoulders on yesterday's video, but clearly I think we're kind of disqualifying that now. A couple of things going on here. Number one, on STORJ US dollar, for sure, we have a trend line. I'm going to draw that in a different color. Red's just not a pretty color to be drawing these things as, excuse me. So we're definitely seeing a line of support there, and I have a feeling that for the moment we will be looking at that line of support for now. Now we'll see what happens, but looking even, you know, in some of the internals, STORJ Bitcoin also showing another very similar one of these. So, I mean, it seems to be that STORJ Bitcoin is being driven. STORJ US dollar is really being driven by STORJ Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin itself, pretty much flat day over day. Nothing much. I mean, we had a nice rally yesterday up to 66,000. Has pulled back since. We're going to go into that in a second. But a couple things to note here. Definitely on a rally. We got to stay over 2730, you know, which would be great if we can get over that. Starting to also look like a possible ascending triangle if it plays out that way, but we'll keep you monitored on that. In the meantime, over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin also, you know, still over this trend line of support here, which has been going on now for a month and a half, doing pretty well. So we have a little bit of a bounce, looking like support around 63, low 63s, and then another line of support around 62,000 related to this rectangle. So we are still kind of in the lower half on or about with this pattern here. So it's, you know, we're going to see how it pans out. Hopefully we stay over this yellow line, and hopefully we catch another bid tonight on Bitcoin. So we'll keep our eye on that. In the meantime, over to Bitcoin, dominance, sideways chop, up and down. Pretty volatile in terms of its... you know, it's up and down. It's not just like kind of going up, but downward like this, which was much more helpful to altcoin. It's a little more nerve-wracking for most altcoin holders, but this really overall, this is truly just going sideways. So keep that in mind, even throughout the volatility. Meantime, STORJ 174. Let's see how far we can get. We probably have resistance area at $1.87. Been trying to hit that a couple of times over the last couple of days. See, maybe we get over it tonight. Talk soon.